In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location on Fresha. This platform has become a cornerstone for business owners in the beauty and wellness industry, offering a suite of powerful tools to manage appointments, sales, and much more. If you're expanding your business or simply updating your premises information, knowing how to add or edit your location details on Fresha is key. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to Fresha's website specifically designed for business owners. You can find this by typing into your browser https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This page is your gateway to a host of functionalities tailored for salon, spa, and clinic managers. Once you're on the page, you'll see a login button. Click on it. This is your first step towards accessing the back end of your Fresha business profile. Following this, you'll encounter a couple of options. To proceed, click on For Business, which is designed to take you straight to the business management portal. Next up, Fresha offers a seamless integration with Google for signing in. So go ahead and click on Sign In using Google. This option not only simplifies the login process, but also reduces the hassle of remembering another password. After clicking, you'll be directed to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for your Fresha business profile. Make sure it's the account you're likely to use for business communications or one that you regularly check. Once logged in, head to the settings. This section is crucial as it hosts various configuration options for your Fresha account. You can access settings directly by visiting https://partners.fresha.com/setup/scheduling/appointments/ or look for the settings option in the navigation menu. In the settings menu, you'll find the business setup option. This is where you can manage fundamental aspects of your Fresha business account, including business details, services offered, and importantly, locations. Click on Business Setup to proceed. Within the Business Setup menu, locate and click on Locations. This section is dedicated to managing all location-related details for your business. It allows you to add new locations or edit existing ones, ensuring your clients always have accurate information. Upon clicking Locations, you'll see an option labeled Actions next to each listed location. This is where you can modify location details. Click on Actions for the location you wish to edit. After clicking Actions, select View to see detailed information about that particular location. This step helps you review all current details about the location, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be updated. Now, to make the changes, you'll need to click on Edit. This will take you to a page where you can modify the location's details, such as the address, contact information, and any other relevant details that your clients need to know. On the editing page, update your location with the new or corrected information. Make sure all details are accurate and reflect the location's current status. Fresha allows you to comprehensively edit the location information, ensuring your profile is always up to date. Finally, after making the necessary changes, click on Save. This will update your location details on your Fresha business profile, making the new information immediately available to your clients. And there you have it. That's how you add or edit a location on Fresha. Remember, keeping your Fresha profile updated, especially your location details, is crucial for business. It ensures that your clients can always find you, understand your offerings, and book their appointments without any hassle. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips. Always double check the information you enter for accuracy, and consider adding specific instructions or landmarks if your location is tricky to find. Also, regularly updating your business details, including your location, can significantly enhance your visibility and credibility on Fresha, leading to more bookings and ultimately more business. Thank you for watching. Make sure to apply these steps to keep your Fresha business location information accurate and up to date, ensuring a seamless experience for your clients. Subscribe for more helpful guides like this, and see you in the next video.